learners! This is Teacher Kimberly and welcome to my channel. Halina't makinig at matuto ng mga pamamaraan at konsepto sa mathematics sa aking tutorial video. At kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, huwag kalimutang mag-like, share at subscribe. Pindutin din ang notification bell button para maging updated ka sa mga susunod kong video. For today's video, I will discuss all about addition of dissimilar fractions. Dissimilar fractions are fractions with different denominators o ito yung grupo ng fractions kung saan ang kanilang denominator ay hindi magkakapareho. Halimbawa niyan ay 3/4, 2/5, 1/3, and 7/10. As you can see, hindi magkakapareho ang kanilang denominators kung kaya sila ay tinatawag na dissimilar fractions. Rules in addition of dissimilar fraction. Change dissimilar fractions into similar fractions by finding the LCD, then add the numerators and copy the same denominators. If possible, express the answer in lowest term. So dito po, in addition of dissimilar fractions, kailangan muna natin siyang baguhin into similar fractions by getting the LCD. Then, kapag nakuha na natin ang kanyang LCD, we can now proceed to the addition of similar fraction. The least common denominator is the least common multiple of the numbers. Ang tinatawag po ditong multiple ay yung numbers na kapag i-multiply mo sa ibang numbers, yun ang makukuhang result. Halimbawa po, 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4, 2 times 3 equals 6, 2 times 4 equals 8, and 2 times 5 is equal to 10. So, ito pong 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, siya po ang tinatawag nating multiples. Example, 1/3 plus 3/5. So, as you can see po, magkaiba ang kanilang denominators, kaya sila tinatawag na dissimilar fractions. So, para ma-convert natin siya into similar fractions, let us find the LCD of 3 and 5. By listing method, the least common multiples of 3 and 5 are, so for 3, ang kanyang multiples ay 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and 18. And for 5, ang multiples niya ay 5, 10, 15, and 20. So, makukuha po itong multiples na to kung susundan niyo po ang multiplication table. So, hanapin natin ang kanilang common multiples. So, we have 15. And that will be our LCD. Now, let's change it into similar fractions by using the LCD. So, ayan po. Baka po nagtataka kayo bakit ganyan ang aking arrangement. It is because mas madali po siyang masundan lalo na kung beginner ka pa lang sa pag-aaral ng addition of dissimilar fractions. So, since na-change na natin siya into similar fraction, let's now solve. Okay, so 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. Then, yung result ay i-multiply doon sa numerator na 1. So, 5 times 1 is equal to 5. Then, 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. Again, i-multiply siya sa numerator na 3. So, 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Then, since similar fraction na sila, just add the numerators and copy the denominator. So, 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. And copy the denominator na 15. So, the final answer is 14 over 15. Pero kung kabisado mo na ang pag-a-add ng dissimilar fractions, you can use this arrangement. So, ayan po, dyan, ginamit na natin ang kanilang LCD, which is 15. So, we can now proceed to addition of similar fractions. So, 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. Then, i-multiply po yung result na 5 sa numerator ni 3, which is 1. So, 5 times 1 is equal to 5. Then, 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. Then, i-multiply po natin ito doon sa numerator ni 5, which is 3. So, 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Then, just add the numerator and copy the denominator since ito na po ay similar fractions. So, 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. And copy the denominator na 15. So, the final answer is 14 over 15. Yan po talaga ang final answer since hindi na siya reducible into lowest term. Another example, 1/8 plus 2/5. Now, by listing method, we can get the least common multiples of 8 and 5. So, for 8, ang kanyang multiples ay 8, 16, 24, 32, and 40. At sa 5 naman, ang kanyang multiples ay 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40. Then, let us look for their common multiples. So, ayan po, 40 ang kanilang common multiples, and 40 will be our LCD. Next, let's change it into similar fractions. So, gagamitin po natin yung LCD na 40 para maging similar fraction sila. So, siya na yung magiging denominator. Then, divide. 40 divided by 8 is equal to 5. Then, multiply 5 to the numerator na 1. 5 times 1 is equal to 5. And again, gagamitin natin ulit yung LCD na 40. So, 40 divided by 5 is equal to 8. Then, 8 times 3 is equal to 24. So, since similar fraction sila, i-add lang po ang numerators. So, 5 plus 24 is equal to 29. And just copy the denominator na 40. So, the final answer is 29 over 40. Since hindi na siya reducible into lowest term. Another example, 5 over 7 plus 1 over 4. By listing method, let us find the LCD of 7 and 4. So, the multiples of 7 ay 7, 14, 21, 28, and 35. At ang 4 naman, ang kanyang multiples ay 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, and 32. So, let us find the least common multiple. Yan, ang least common multiple ay 28. And that will be our LCD. So, after getting the LCD, let us change it into similar fraction. So, as you can see, ginamit na po ang LCD na 28. Next, let us divide. 28 divided by 7 is equal to 4. Multiply 4 to 5. 4 times 5 is equal to 20. Then, 28 divided by 4 is equal to 7. Then, multiply 7 to 1. 7 times 1 is equal to 7. So, just add the numerator and copy the denominator since similar fraction na sila. 20 plus 7 is equal to 27. And copy the denominator na 28. The final answer is 27 over 28. So, hindi na po siya reducible into lowest term. So, that's all for today's video. And I hope na may natutunan kayo sa aking tutorial. And please keep updated on my next video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.